What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a quick video, but hopefully a useful video if any of you are thinking about picking up one of the brand new S9s or S9 Pluses. So Samsung have switched up the colorways this year. They vary from place to place, but here in the Middle East, in Dubai, and I believe also in the US, we're getting these colors. So the first one is Midnight Black. It's a traditional black color. It looks awesome because it looks all blacked out. I love how both the front and the back now merge in perfectly. But this thing is going to be a fingerprint magnet, so something to be aware of. Next, we have Titanium Gray. This for me is probably my favorite color. I just love how that sort of sparkle of titanium, the grayish color, really comes through really well in this colorway. You can see that, it gives you a hint of black, slightly blue, gray, all rolled up into one, and I think it looks absolutely stunning. Definitely my choice. Now the third one is actually surprising because I actually like it as well. I wouldn't be ashamed of pulling this out of my pocket. This is Lilac Purple. I'm assuming it's kind of aimed towards the female market, but to be honest with you, it would look perfectly fine for anyone. And I love, again, how there's this color variation, and I think it blends really well. That purple blends in really well with the front black sort of face. So all in all, those are the three main colors that Samsung are releasing. This is them all together, so you can see them compared side by side. There is one other color which is a little sort of hard to get here in Dubai, but is available in other markets, and that's Cobalt Blue. But that really is something that we've seen in the Note 8. Anyway, I hope this video has been useful. If it has, smash that like button down below and make sure you hit subscribe. Until next time, I'm EMKWAN, over and out.